Okay, everybody, let's play a game. Okay, ich werde euch Gegenstände benennen. Ihr sagt mir, welches davon nicht dazugehört. Apple, banana, grapes, carrot, watermelon, pineapple, strawberry, pear, kiwi. Okay, everybody, which one of these things does not belong? Did you get it right? That's right, it's the carrot. The carrot doesn't belong. Okay, nochmal. Shoe store, church, house, windmill, hospital, diner, lake house, park, castle. Which one of these things does not belong? Nope. The park doesn't belong. Okay, again. Grasshopper, snail, ladybug, worm, beetle, bee, dog, butterfly, spider. Which one of these things does not belong? That's right, the dog. The dog doesn't belong. One last time. Street lights, lamp, Christmas lights, light bulb, flashlight, fire, candles, hammer, matches. Which one of these things does not belong? Yep, that's right. The hammer. The hammer doesn't belong. Okay, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.